beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogwebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make the super crunchy chips with just few ingredients. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So in my bowl I am adding in my sifted flour. Next I'll add in baking powder, salt. So I'm gonna mix everything together to incorporate it properly. Next I'll go in with my grated onion, ginger. See, this is gonna give it a very good flavor that you will love. Next I'll add in my margarine. So I'm gonna mix everything to combine beautifully. So I'll go in with my water gradually to form a smooth dough. Not a sticky dough, a smooth dough. Thank you beautiful people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? If you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make an amazing recipe that you will love. Please stay connected, subscribe, share the video to your friends and your loved ones, okay? So I ended up using half cup of water and I'm gonna do this to form a dough. As I said earlier, not a sticky dough. The dough should be firm, as you can see on your screen. Next I'll go ahead to cover this dough for 10 to 15 minutes. I actually left mine for 30 minutes, so you can do so too if you have the time. And after 30 minutes, I'll dust some flour on my work surface and I'm gonna be dividing the dough into two because I don't have that space. See, this dough, we need to flatten it a little bit paper thin. For you to get these chips very crunchy, you need to flatten it. Let it be paper thin, so thin. Okay, so I'll go ahead to dust flour occasionally just to avoid it from sticking to my work surface and for my work to be a bit easier, okay? And you see how it is? We are still flattening it. It has to be paper thin. Next I'll cut it with my pizza cutter. You can actually use your hand to rip this into the oil directly, okay? But I want to use pizza cutter for mine. Go ahead to cut out any shape of your choice. So I'll go ahead to dust flour on the plate to avoid it from sticking to the plate, and I'll transfer the cut dough on the plate. I'll transfer them into the oil. I'm gonna fry this till it is crispy. So this recipe is so easy to follow, okay? So this is what I got. This is how my first batch is looking like. So this is it. I'm gonna go ahead to repeat the process until I am done with all I have at hand. See, if you are not careful, you can get addicted with this because it is so crunchy that you want to do it every day, and with just few ingredients you can achieve this beautiful crunchy chips. So this is my final look. I'd love you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. So from me is bye.